going to show you something extremely important about Google Maps links. Is I'm assuming a lot of people are using these incorrectly because I know I was for years. And I'm not going to use a customer map, but it all works the same. So if you're using a customer map, this is how you do it. And I'm just going to go to St. Joe, Missouri, which is where I live, and I'm going to hit. Here's where you find the link for your local map. Hit share, and most people, not most people, but I would assume a lot of people, especially a lot of SEO guys, might use this link right here. This is not the link to use. This is a generated link. It could be a tracking link, and it changes every time you generate it. So we got B8 here at the end. Let's see if it changes. Okay, it didn't change this time, but if you refresh the page, it likely would. And then Google can track this. If you're putting this on your backlinks, 1,000 times, Google's saying, okay, you're using this tracking link 1,000 times. There's, this is manipulation. And also, this is a redirect link. The link you want to use, you go to embed a map, and where it says view larger map, you want to copy that link, and that's the link you want to use. And we'll just go over here, and I'll just show you real quick. Boom, of course, here comes up the larger map. And this is the accurate link you should use. Now, one other thing, let's go to, let's just pick auto repair near me. I'm going to show you about latitude and longitude also. Let's just pick Southern Auto Service here. Okay. If I can get there, maybe not. Nope. We find their map here. Okay, I had to drill down a little further to get to the customer map page. Okay, a lot of people might use the latitude and longitude, maybe up here in the link. You'll notice this latitude and longitude is different than what I'm going to show you here. Is it over here? No. What you do is you go to this pin and you click on this pin, you right click, and there's your latitude and longitude right there. And it is much longer and much more detailed. Let me see if I can find a doc so I can show you. But it is not the same as the one up top. I don't know what the difference is, but in my opinion, the correct one would be the one that I just showed you on the pin. Here we go. Now see how long that one is and how detailed that one is compared to the one up here, maybe in abbreviated form. But again, you just right click on the pin and you get the better latitude and longitude. And I would think that would be much more accurate and the one that you need to use in your different projects.